The culinary program here at University High School is a 4-year program. We have 3 instructors. The whole program, about 200 kids coming in.
And when we started the program, we started from scratch. We had kitchens, we had some base equipment, but we've had to build over the years to truly get to where we are.
You're going to come through this and learn. You'll know how to cook. You'll know how to make things that are going to make you and your family and your loved ones happy for the rest of your days.
My favorite dish I like to cook here, that would be crepes, because it's one of my favorite things to eat.
I've always loved learning how to cook. When I was little, I would always watch the Food Network channel. So having an opportunity to be in a culinary class in high school has really meant a lot to me.
It's been a slow and steady build, but with the help of Waco ISD Education Foundation, they've given us 2 very generous grants. We always have people that want to back us when we go to competitions because they like the clout that we win.
Look at the whole program as one big team. One class picks up right where the other class left off.
Our kids are very high in demand. We go to events and we always have chefs coming up to us, hey, what students would you recommend, or can you give us a list of students?
These guys, man, they come in every day, knock it out, and just do a stellar job. I'm just so proud of them, I can't hardly stand it. They're great. This week we have our monthly cafe day, and we've got a terrific menu planned for that. A main course of chicken and dumplings, so that's kind of what's going on in this pot right here. Iceberg wedge salad with bacon and croutons and tomatoes and hot water cornbread sticks. Compound butter that uses these really hot spicy pickles. Chocolate cake with a pecan chocolate icing. It continues to be a popular thing. People love to cook. People love to eat.
I like learning how to cook new things that I can use in everyday life.
Give it a spin.